talked to you about why you have to internally optimize yourself and why you have to use maximal strength skin products that best achieve the goal. I've talked to you about why you have to internally optimize in order to get the best results externally. I've talked to you about why maximal strength skin products in order to penetrate the most deeply that any skin products can. But I also want to tell you why I use peels and skin products preferentially for the best rejuvenation, restoration, peeling off brown spots, lifting, tightening, decreasing pores, decreasing scarring. And it's because between those two, the skin is thickened, the skin is plumped better than any other method of treating the skin. So as much as correct maximal therapy skin products and peels will treat, that's what I have learned and shown with my patients works best versus any other method on the market.